AL4TE, I have a few more minutes before the net control station comes on. Anyone else out there like to join us tonight for a little conversation? AL4P and friends, we're all listening.
NA5V, Larry?
Which one, too?
Now, this is the warm-up to the Danny net. You know what, man? This whole thing stinks of something wrong to me, man. This guy that was just talking, now he's not net control. He'll be turning it over to net control shortly. I just listened to this guy say that during the day, the Danny net turns the frequency over to general banter, amateur radio banter of a technical and non-technical nature. You know what? I like to suggest otherwise. When the Danny net comes to a close, that's the end of the Danny net's interest in 7156. It's no longer in control by the Danny net. You know, what do they own 7156 24/7, 365? What do they do? Buy up frequency? And another thing, this other guy in this warm-up session to the Danny net, this fellow that checked in, he said, "Oh, I see Danny here. Danny's copying me 3x3, which isn't great." Now, he saw this apparently on NetLogger. "Oh, Danny's copying me 3x3, I see. That's not great, but not bad considering that," and what did he say? "The Whisper network in Africa is not detecting me at all." Oh, really? Whisper will hear you and report you if you're not even audible. If you're well below the noise floor, humans can't detect you and Whisper. You know what I mean, man. Danny didn't copy him 3x3. If Whisper can't copy him, Danny can't. That's what I'm saying. I'm calling bullshit on the Danny net.